Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to legal aptitude that is very important from the point of view of TZ law set and AP law set 2025. So, without wasting our time, let's discuss these questions. So, the first question is LLB stands for. Its right answer is Legum Bachelorus. So, the right answer is A. Question number 2. Rights and duties are. Its right answer is correlated. So the right answer is B. Question number 3. The minimum age for marriage is that the boy must be 21 years and the girl 18 years. So the right answer is A. So the right answer is A. Question number 4. The headquarters of National Judicial Appointments Commission will be at. Its right answer is Delhi. So the right answer is A. Question number 5. In India, right to education is a. Its right answer is fundamental right. So the right answer is C. Question number 6. No child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory. So the right answer is A. Question number 7. Dishonor of check is an offense under. Its right answer is Negotiable Instrument Act. So the right answer is D. Question number 8. Minor's contract is. Its right answer is void. So the right answer is A. Question number 9. The father of jurisprudence is. Its right answer is Jeremy Bentham. So the right answer is A. Question number 10. Which article of the Constitution of India defines the state? Its right answer is Article 12. So the right answer is A. Question number 11. Which one of the following amendments brought major changes in the Constitution of India with regards to organization of village panchayat? Its right answer is 73rd amendment. So the right answer is A. Question number 12. Which is the oldest code of law in India? Its right answer is Manusmriti. So the right answer is B. Question number 13. Justice Sarkaria Commission was constituted to look into the official affairs of. Its right answer is Center-State Relations. So the right answer is A. Question number 14. Ignorance of law is. Its right answer is not excusable. So the right answer is A. Question number 15. In S.R. Bombay versus Union of India, which article was discussed in detail? Its right answer is Article 356. So the right answer is C. Question number 16. The 30th Amendment brought with it the creation of new state. Which state it was? Its right answer is Nagaland. So the right answer is D. Question number 17. From which country's constitution was the directive principles of state policy adopted? Its right answer is Ireland. So the right answer is D. Question number 18. Question number 18. Emergency provision in our constitution were influenced from which constitution? Its right answer is Weimar Constitution, Germany. So the right answer is A. Right answer is A. Question number 19. Question number 19. How many judges sat on the bench in the case of Kesavananda Bharati versus Union of India? Its right answer is 13. So the right answer is B. Question number 20. Who is the legal advisor to the government of a state in India? Its right answer is the Advocate General. So the right answer is D. Question number 21. With which of the following issue did D.K. Basu versus State of Bengal deal with? Its right answer is safeguards for the arrested person. So the right answer is B. Question number 22. Which of the following best describes the legal phrase amicus curiae? Its right answer is friends of the court. So the right answer is B. Question number 23. A person a, a person has designed a new type of scissors for cutting of clothes. Under which act can he seek protection of his invention? Its right answer is the Patent Act. So the right answer is A. Question number 24. Which of the following writs is said to be a guarantor of personal freedom? Its right answer is habeas corpus. So the right answer is C. Question number 25. What does the term caveat imperator refers to? Its right answer is let the buyer beware. So the right answer is A. Question number 26. The term socialist was added by constitutional amendment. Its right answer is 42nd amendment. So the right answer is B. Question number 27. Which court is regarded as the guardian of the fundamental rights of the people? Its right answer is Supreme Court. So the right answer is D. Question number 28. Indemnity means. Its right answer is security for from danger or loss. So the right answer is A. Question number 29. A principal is liable or responsible for all the acts of his agent, which is called. Its right answer is vicarious liability. So the right answer is A. Question number 30. Corpus juris means. Its right answer is body of law. So the right answer is A. Question number 31. PIL stands for. Its right answer is public interest litigation. So the right answer is C. Question number 32. According to ABDIC, in India the rule of law is embodied in. Its right answer is Article 14 of the Constitution of India. So the right answer is C. Question number 33. In which of the following case the Supreme Court held that the principle of natural justice are applicable to administrative proceedings? Its right answer is A.K. Karaipak versus Union of India. So the right answer is C. Question number 34. Common law is essentially a judge-made law. This opinion was expressed by. Its right answer is Paton. So the right answer is C. Question number 35. Contributory negligence is defense to a criminal charge. Its right answer is no. Contributory negligence is no defense to a criminal charge. So the right answer is D. Question number 36. The accused fired two shots with a revolver at point blank range at the acting governor, but the bullets failed to produce the desired result because of some defects in the ammunition or intervention of leather wallet. What offense is caused? Its right answer is attempt to murder. So the right answer is B. Question number 36. Question number 36. Right answer is B. Attempt to murder. So the right answer is B. Question number 37. Question number 37. Which of the following case the Supreme Court applied the doctrine of public trust that the state as a trustee of all natural resources is under legal duty to protect the natural resources. These natural resources are meant for public use and cannot be converted into private ownership. Its right answer is MC Mehta versus Kamal Nath and others. So right answer is A. Question number 38. Which one of the following is the fourth generation of human rights? Its right answer is right to communication. So the right answer is D. Question number 39. Administrative tribunal exercises. Its right answer is quasi judicial function. So the right answer is D. Question number 40. Indian Evidence Act was drafted by. Its right answer is Sir James F. Stephen. So the right answer is B. Question number 41. Who will be given the benefit of doubt? Its right answer is accused. So the right answer is A. Question number 42. The theory of utility was propounded by. Its right answer is Jeremy Bentham. So the right answer is B. Question number 43. The Supreme Question number 43. The Supreme Court legalized passive euthanasia in which case? Its right answer is Common Cause versus Union of India. So the right answer is A. Question number 44. In which landmark judgment Supreme Court recognized a constitutional right to privacy? Its right answer is Puttaswamy versus Union of India. So the right answer is A. Question number 45. How the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed? Its right answer is collegium system. So the right answer is A. Question number 46. The companies which are formed under a special act, those companies are called. Its right answer is statutory companies. So the right answer is B. Question number 47. Question number 47. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the directive principles of state policy? Its right answer is Part 4. So the right answer is B. Question number 48. The present Chief Justice of India is. Its right answer is Justice Sanjeev Khanna. So the right answer is D. Question number 49. Which one of the following is not a source of law in India? Its right answer is public opinion. So the right answer is B. Question number 50. Equality before law and equal protection of law guaranteed under which provisions of the Constitution of India? Its right answer is Article 14. So the right answer is C. Question number 51. The Union Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to. Its right answer is Lok Sabha. So the right answer is C. Question number 52. How many judges are there in the Supreme Court of India, including the Chief Justice of India? Its right answer is 34 judges. So the right answer is A. Question number 53. How many states in India have legislative council? Its right answer is 6. So the right answer is A. Question number 54. Cultural and educational rights are guaranteed under. Its right answer is Article 29 and 30. So the right answer is A. Question number 55. Under public interest litigation, who can move the court? Its right answer is any public spirited person. So the right answer is A. Right answer is A. Question number 56. The present chairman of National Human Rights Commission is. Its right answer is Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramanian. So the right answer is A. Question number 57. The fundamental duties in India are. Its right answer is not enforceable. So the right answer is B. Question number 58. From which constitution was the concept of a 5-year plan borrowed into the Indian constitution? Its right answer is USSR. Now Russia. Now Russia. So the right answer is B. Question number 59. The president nominates 12 members to Rajya Sabha from people having special knowledge or practical experience in. Its right answer is social service, art, science, and literature. So the right answer is A. Question number 60. Rajya Sabha has. Its right answer is a permanent body with one third members retiring every second year. So the right answer is D. Question number 61. A bill becomes a law only when. Its right answer is it is signed by the president. So the right answer is D. Question number 62. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Its right answer is Serbian Rao. So the right answer is B. Question number 63. The father of international law is. Its right answer is Grotius. So the right answer is C. Question number 64. Defamation infringes upon a person's right to. Its right answer is reputation. So right answer is A. Question number 65. The disobedience of any judgment, orders, etc. of a court amounts to. Its right answer is question number 65. The disobedience of any judgment, order, etc. of a court amounts to. Its right answer is contempt of court. Contempt of court. So the right answer is B. Right answer is B. Question number 66. What does adjudication means? Its right answer is decision by the court. So the right answer is D. Question number 67. Capital offense results in. Its right answer is sentence of death. So the right answer is A. Question number 68. All disputes relating to election of president and vice president are inquired into and decided by the. Its right answer is Supreme Court. So the right answer is A. Question number 69. Ignorance of law excuse no man. Not that all men know the law, but because it is an excuse every man will plead. Who said these words? Its right answer is John Selden. So the right answer is C. Question number 70. A final order of the court pronounced on the hearing of the suit is called. Its right answer is decree. So right answer is C. Question number 71. The killing of newborn child by its parent is called. Its right answer is infanticide. So right answer is A. Question number 72. What is a moot? Its right answer is mock court for practice by students. So the right answer is C. Question number 73. A formal instrument by which one person empowers another to represent him. Its right answer is power of attorney. So the right answer is B. Question number 74. A person who takes up proceedings against the accused on behalf of the state. Its right answer is persecutor. So the right answer is D. Question number 74's right answer is D. Persecutor. Question number 75. One second. Question number 75. A invites B for coffee in a restaurant and B accepts the invitation. On the appointed day, B goes there but A is not found. In this case, its right answer is B has no remedy against A. So the right answer is A. Question number 76. The act of unlawfully entering into another's property is called. Its right answer is trespass. So the right answer is B. Question number 76. 77. Question number 77. The legal abbreviation of LLB is. Its right answer is Legum Baccalaureus. So the right answer is C. Question number 78. What is the primary responsibility of the Security Council of United Nations? Its right answer is maintain peace and security in the world. So the right answer is D. Question number 79. When did World Health Organization come into force? Its right answer is 7th April 1948. So the right answer is B. Question number 80. Uh, One second, friend. The network is not working. One second. I think there is something. Uh, there is error something. One second, friend. One second. Question number 80. A person arrested has to be produced before a magistrate within. Its right answer is 24 hours. So the right answer is B. Question number 80. It is right answer is B. That is 24 hours. Question number 81. Question number 81. Writ is an order issued by High Court or Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. So the right answer is A. Question number 82. Who will discharge the duties of the president in the event of the president and vice president being not available? Its right answer is the Chief Justice of India. So the right answer is B. Question number 83. Article 19 of the Constitution of India provides. Its right answer is six freedoms. So the right answer is A. Question number 84. Secular means. Its right answer is treating of all religion equally. So the right answer is C. Question number 85. The strength of the Union Council of Ministers, including the Prime Minister, cannot exceed. Its right answer is 15% of the total membership of Lok Sabha. So the right answer is B. Question number 86. Uniform Civil Code means. Its right answer is a codified law applicable to all persons of India irrespective of their religion. So the right answer is B. Question number 87. The first session of parliament is called. Its right answer is budget session. So the right answer is D. Question number 88. The concept of rule of law is a special feature of the constitutional system of. Its right answer is Britain. So the right answer is A. Question number 89. Recognition of states was done in the year 1956 on basis. Its right answer is on linguistic basis. So the right answer is A. Question number 90. According to Indian Majority Act, a major is a person who has attained the age of 18 years. So the right answer is A. Question number 91. Question number 91. A person commits bigamy if he. Its right answer is marries again when he already has a legal wife. So the right answer is C. Question number 92. Who is the supreme commander of the armed forces in India? Its right answer is the president of India. So the right answer is C. So it all was for today. We will meet in next video that will be either legal aptitude or GK. Till thank you very much. Thank you very much.